How to enable direct messages on Instagram. For that, open Instagram app and make sure to sign into your account. Now tap on the profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Here select the three-line icon at top right corner. Once you're on the settings and activity page, scroll down and under how others can interact with you, select messages and story replies. Now select message controls. And now tap on others on Instagram. Here you have to select message request. Now tap on update settings. Once you have done that, now you have easily enabled the direct messages on Instagram. So that's how we enable the direct messages on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.